Hey guys, Bill with Champion Windshield Repair. I hope you're having a great day. Just want to tell you a little bit about my company. We're family owned. Been here in Birmingham, Alabama for 15 years. We currently service one of the largest rental car companies in the world and have for 12 years. My topic today is pollen. There's tons of pollen. I just wiped down about 100 rental cars to look for rock chips. For your car sitting in home and in your driveway, wipe your windshield off and check for rock chips. There's going to be tons of cars, windshields cracking with this cold, warm weather. Check your windshields, people, and give us a call. We can do same-day mobile service for you. You call us at lunch, we'll get you in the afternoon. We give a lifetime warranty on our work. We use only the best equipment and resins in the world. We use glass weld equipment. I know that means nothing to you, but it's the best of the best. But anyway, give me a call, 205-515-5951, and have a great day.